In a recent address to reporters, Kremlin spokesman Dmitry Peskov referred to the United States as an enemy, signaling a potential hardening of Moscow's rhetoric. While it remains uncertain if this language reflects an official change in policy, Peskov emphasized that only President Vladimir Putin can make such determinations. The Kremlin spokesman's comments were partly in response to Washington's refusal to allow former US Marine, UN weapons inspector, and RT contributor Scott Ritter to travel to St. Petersburg. Peskov described this the latest manifestation of the rabid campaign to prevent US citizens from interacting with the Russian Federation. He suggested that such a refusal would only be understandable if it were related to Ritter's former intelligence status. "We are now an enemy country for them, much like they are for us," Peskov stated, noting that travel restrictions on former intelligence officers to hostile countries are common worldwide. Previously, the Kremlin labelled the United States and other Western nations that support and arm Ukraine and have imposed sanctions on Moscow as unfriendly states or opponents. This shift in language follows Washington's decision to permit Kyiv to use American-supplied weapons against targets inside Russia beyond what the US defines as Ukrainian territory. In March, Peskov remarked that while Moscow objected to US officials insulting President Putin, there was no anti-American sentiment in Russia. He expressed hope that sooner or later the realization that the peoples of America and Russia are not enemies will eventually come. President Putin in January identified the elites of Western countries as the true enemy of Russia, portraying Ukraine as a mere tool in their hands. He argued that the conflict between Moscow and Kyiv was orchestrated by Western elites seeking to inflict a strategic defeat on Russia. Last month, Putin reiterated that the entire Western community is working for our enemy, dreaming about Russia ceasing to exist in its current form, yet stopped short of branding any particular Western state as enemy. Former Russian President Dmitry Medvedev, now serving as Deputy Chair of Russia's Security Council along with several other hawkish officials, have repeatedly referred to Moscow's adversaries as enemies over the past 2 years. However, Peskov has maintained that only President Putin can officially formulate and state Russia's foreign policy position.